Lavender, with its delicate purple flowers and enchanting fragrance, is a versatile herb cherished for its aromatic, culinary, and crafting properties. Cultivating lavender offers a range of benefits, from providing a soothing scent in gardens to serving as a key ingredient in culinary dishes and crafts. This comprehensive video delves into the world of growing lavender, exploring its cultivation, diverse uses, and how this multifaceted herb contributes to various aspects of daily life. Introduction. Lavender, scientifically known as lavandula, is a perennial shrub that captivates with its fragrant, spiky blooms. Native to the Mediterranean region, lavender has gained global popularity for its versatility and myriad uses. Cultivating lavender not only adds beauty and fragrance to gardens, but also opens doors to diverse applications, ranging from culinary endeavors to crafting and wellness purposes. Varieties of lavender. Lavender comes in various species and cultivars. Common types include English lavender, Lavandula angustifolia, known for its sweet fragrance and often used in essential oils, sachets, and culinary applications. French lavender, Lavandula dentata, recognizable by its serrated leaves and unique appearance, often used in landscaping. Spanish lavender, Lavandula stoiches, distinguished by its winged bracts on top of the flower heads, a striking addition to gardens. Cultivation of lavender. Soil and sunlight. Lavender thrives in well-drained, sandy, or loamy soil with ample sunlight. It requires at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Planting and propagation. Lavender can be grown from seeds or cuttings. Planting in spring or fall is ideal, allowing the roots to establish before harsh weather. Watering and maintenance. Lavender is drought-tolerant and dislikes excessive moisture. Water sparingly, especially after the plant has established roots. Pruning after flowering promotes new growth and prevents woodiness. Fragrant uses of lavender. Aromatherapy. Lavender's soothing scent is often used in aromatherapy to promote relaxation and reduce stress. Essential oils, sachets, and dried bouquets are common ways to enjoy its aroma. Home fragrance. Lavender can be used in potpourri, scented candles, or as a natural air freshener to infuse spaces with a calming fragrance. Beauty products. Lavender is a common ingredient in soaps, lotions, and bath products due to its calming properties and delightful scent. Culinary uses of lavender. Cooking in the kitchen. Lavender flowers can be used to infuse honey, sugar, or vinegar, adding a delicate floral flavor to dishes. It complements both sweet and savory recipes, including desserts, teas, and meat marinades. Herbal teas. Lavender can be brewed into a fragrant tea, providing a relaxing and aromatic beverage. Culinary lavender varieties. Certain types, such as Lavandula angustifolia, are more suitable for culinary purposes due to their milder flavor profile. Crafting with lavender. Sachets and potpourri. Dried lavender flowers are often used in sachets, potpourri, or in combination with other herbs for a natural, fragrant addition to drawers and closet. Craft projects. Lavender is incorporated into various crafts, including wreaths, homemade soaps, candles, and skincare products, adding both fragrance and visual appeal. Gifts and decor. Lavender-infused crafts make for wonderful, personalized gifts or decorative elements in homes, adding a touch of natural beauty and aroma. Health and wellness benefits. Relaxation and sleep aid. Lavender's calming scent is known to aid in relaxation, stress reduction, and promoting better sleep. It's commonly used in aromatherapy for these purposes. Antiseptic properties. Lavender possesses antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a popular ingredient in natural remedies, salves, and balms. Skincare. Lavender is often included in skincare products for its soothing and skin-healing qualities. Conclusion. From garden staple to culinary delight, and from crafting ingredient to wellness aid, lavender offers a multitude of benefits. Its fragrant flowers and versatile properties make it an essential herb in various aspects of life. Growing lavender not only enhances the beauty and scent of gardens, but opens up a world of culinary, crafting, and therapeutic opportunities. With the right cultivation techniques and an understanding of its diverse uses, lavender becomes a delightful addition to daily life, contributing its unique charm and multifaceted benefits to numerous facets of human existence.